Chat GPT is like, there is like last updated since like three months ago, 4 months ago. So if they want to add like features such as what he's saying regarding if I want to buy gold, should I? If they want to answer me, they should be connected immediately. Otherwise, this is the main thing in our industry.
Yes.
Like you cannot predict the price. If I'm gonna ask you right now, what's the gold price? You must be opening your own platform and check it. So might be in the future it might be connected, and that will be affecting our jobs. Honestly, it might be helpful for the company as it is to serve the clients by adding ChatGPT on customer support services, whatever. But yeah, it might be affecting because, as you said, there is a chart, but there is some technical stuff they can start. Draw the patterns through the chart and everything, unless they are straight for you telling you buy or short, go short, for example. You know what I mean? So that's
Okay, but even ChatGPT, once it was released, the latest information that it could gather from Google was basically January 2020, I believe. Recently, it has been updated and it now contains data and information from Google up to November 2022. So they are working on it. However, let me ask an important question, and it's an open question to all of you. What will happen if even we get ChatGPT to have real-time market prices? What will happen to the algorithmic bias? Because ChatGPT will rely on data and information that's already there on Google, okay? Let's say I ask whether should I buy or sell gold. It went through 1,000 articles right now or written today. 750 articles out of the 1,000 articles recommend buying. ChatGPT doesn't have the ability to analyze, so it will just recommend buying, and this is the algorithmic bias. We do have biases as humans. We have the confirmation bias, cognitive bias, and a lot more. So I do believe, yes, it's in the future, and the future is coming. However, I think it will not be just a very straightforward road. We will be having some ups and downs.
But guess what? If they just add this feature, which means we have already now the existing feature. If you check now any website and check whatever the gold price or the GBP USD, whatever, you can see like 70% buy, 30% short.
Those are
It might be
lagging
like this, but
indicators, yeah. They are there, but they are lagging indicators. Just like investing, it says 70% buy, 30% sell, and it shows you even time frames, buy, sell, and so on. This is just, a bunch of a mixture of lagging indicators like RSI, MACD, and it's not something that you can rely on your investment trading strategies, Yeah, that's my...
Thank you so much, Mr. Muhammad and Mr. Muhammad. I think I could watch you debating all day.
Let's
Yeah, there is thrilling. Mr. Darwa?
Actually, market very sharp. So you need to collect more studies about the market and the movement. So take this decision not easy. If I can buy, if I can sell, I need to study more and more. So you need to be patient. After that, take decision. After that, trade. This is my point.
Thank you so much, Sir
So,
Abdulaziz.
with respect to the efficiency of, let's say that one code has to be created from scratch, and now they don't have to. Now, all you have to do is just understand, give the skeleton of what exactly you require, and 75 to 85% of the code is there itself. So, all you have to do is select it, compile it, understand where the missing parts are, and you can. So, that actually, the effective production time for the bots, the EAs. So I believe that has to be on the right part, but most of the time when such a code is generated and when it is compiled, the minimum number of errors I have found is 16, 17, 18. So almost most of the times I find errors which are to be manually corrected. So answering your question, whether it will replace our jobs, no, I don't think so.
Thank you so much, Mr. Abdulaziz and Mr. Yusuf.
ChatGPT is a wonderful tool, but it was designed by humans only. But we now act is like it is the future, but that future we have designed. It is nothing but the preset of programmed data available over the years into billions of bytes feeding into the system, and it has the capacity and the capability to analyze certain set of data, but not all. So going forth, we cannot 100% rely on ChatGPT for certain functions, but yes, it will help the trading community at large. Because right now there are few developers on MQR also, they have programmed, they are showing how to program your expert advisors using ChatGPT. It will give you the ready-made commands even if you don't know the language, because it will develop the things which is into the system. On the broker end, it is very beneficial if it is used for different departments like in operations, where artificial intelligence can detect scammers, fraudsters, impulsive behavior of the trading participants. So it can be identified in much real time, and the company can be saved from big losses. Apart from that, the main core issue for any forex broker today is compliance. Wherever you want to do, whatever you want to do, it gets stuck with compliance because the rules are strict. So these AI systems are very like in the